All right, so hitch broke. Let's see here. Yeah, so I almost lost my boat on this Range Rover, man. This hitch broke. I actually bought this hitch off Amazon. This piece of shit hitch. You know, you get what you pay for, man. Thought I was getting a good deal. I paid like, I don't know, 70 bucks for this thing. But you get what you pay for. So I ended up getting this from Atlantic British Atlantic, whatever. I don't know. Shit came from Britain. All right. So this also came from Amazon. So we're gonna put this on today. This is like OEM shit here. It goes right up into the frame. But I gotta do something about this tab. I'm either gonna bend it back in place or I'm gonna break it off. So yeah, let me go get something to do that. All right, so I'm just gonna bend that back in place. Doesn't really matter. It's not gonna be affected. So like I said, this hitch is crap. You can see it cracked right here. I almost lost my boat going down the freeway like 65 miles an hour. I got lucky, man. I bent this back in place. This is crap. Like I said, $70. You get what you pay for. This is OEM, so you just gotta, this actually goes, you see it goes up into the actual frame, man. This is not gonna go anywhere once it's locked into place. It's got a locking pin, so once you install it, it'll hit this, actuate that, push that pin through here, and this thing is not going anywhere without bringing the vehicle with it. All right. So to get this unlocked, let me see, go lock. So you gotta pull it out, pull it back. This pin will pop up. Then to put it in, might have to tap it a little bit. It's in there now. So come around the back side. That pin is in there. This pin is come out. It's in there. So yeah, after you get this installed, they give you 2 keys that go with it. So you just pull this lever out and disengage it to get it out of there. So this is way more sturdy than this cheap Amazon stuff. So I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys are interested in purchasing this. The other one just bolted to the frame right here, this little piece. That's why it broke off. I almost lost my boat, like I said. So like I said, it's a little pricey. It's like 600 bucks, but you know, you get what you pay for. You have more peace of mind going down the road. This is OEM. So if you do have a Range Rover or Land Rover, go ahead and I highly recommend this. Much better. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below and I'll be happy to answer them. All right, thanks for watching. All right, I can hook my boat back up and get back out there in the water.